So these headphones are an all-in-one package in $60. So hey guys, iMAT here. Today we are reviewing the WeoFly Tour Headphones. They are wireless hybrid noise cancelling headset and is a beast in this price range. We will talk about it more later in the video. First of all, let's go ahead and find out what comes inside the box. So first of all, we get the storage box inside it. It is made of really good quality. So we have the WeoFly Tour Headphones inside it, and let's see what's inside this package. We have the USB-A as well as a USB-C dongle inside it. After that, we have more cables here. First of all, we have the USB-A to C charging cable, and then we have the USB-C to aux cable. So the plastic used is of really good material. And if you look at this side, it is using very good cushions. They've advertised that it has ultra soft protein leather ear cups with memory foam and has a lightweight design, and I've used it personally, and to be honest, I'm loving them. They're comfortable to use even for longer period of time, since it has a very comfortable fit for enjoying music anytime, anywhere. It is equipped with a 40mm dynamic driver which delivers cinema quality 3D sound with high resolution, featuring punchy bass and crystal clear highs. And this was exactly how I felt when I first wore them. I also used it for watching movie, and the experience was really good. I actually felt like the sound is coming from different directions, and the music experience has also been amazing with the WeoFly Tour headphones. I've been using them with Spotify and with bass booster equalizer mode turned on, and that was just icing to the cake. The bass is crystal clear in these headphones and the sound is just amazing. Whether you are watching a movie, a podcast, or listening to a song, these headphones are a perfect fit for you. Let's continue talking about the design. We have a few buttons here. First of all, you need to press this power key to turn on the headphones, and here you can see that the light has started to blink and the headphones are turned on and now looking for a connection. So I can say that with surety that these headphones can literally connect with every device on the market. If your device supports Bluetooth, they can connect with it. If it has a 3.5mm port, it can connect with it. If your device does not have an aux cable, does not have USB-A port, and does not have Bluetooth, you can connect using the 2.4 GHz dongle with USB-C port. And if your device does not have a 3.5mm port, it does not have Bluetooth, and it also does not have USB-C port, you can connect with it using the 2.4 GHz dongle or the USB-A port you have on your device. And if you're connecting using the 2.4 GHz device, you can double press the Active Noise Cancellation button to connect or disconnect with the 2.4 GHz connection. If you're connecting via Bluetooth, you need to go to Settings, Bluetooth, and you will see WeoFly Tour here, so just connect with them. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.4 and has a Bluetooth range of around 10 meters. We have the ANC or the Active Noise Cancellation button here. You can press it once to turn on active noise cancellation. You will see the green light here. The WeoFly Tour headphones come with hybrid active noise cancellation, and the active noise cancellation is just amazing. It cancels out all of the ambient noise around you. Currently I'm using a 40-watt Ulanzi light and my air conditioner is also turned on. And without these headphones, I can hear a lot of noise, but with these on my head, I'm literally not hearing any noise. So whether you are outside and there is a lot of engine and traffic noise, or whether you are just in your house and want to enjoy a peaceful environment, the active noise cancellation of the WeoFly Tour headphones is going to be your best companion. The WeoFly Tour headphones come with 4 microphones, and to enjoy crystal clear calling experience, it has environmental noise cancellation. So what it's basically gonna do is that it's going to cancel out all of the ambient noise around you, and the other person will only hear your voice, and the voice will be crystal clear. And finally, the gaming experience on these headphones is also great. To enjoy the lowest latency, I would recommend you to use the 2.4 GHz adapter, using which the latency can be as low as 10 milliseconds. Other than that, it also has stereo sound, because of which it is really easy to judge whether the enemy is coming from the left side or the right side, and it also makes it quite easier to judge the gunshot direction. So whether you are a music lover, or you do a lot of video calls, or you want to enjoy your gaming experience, the WeoFly Tour headphones is an all-in-one package for you. In the end, let's talk about the battery life. So the headphones come with a battery capacity of 800 mAh, which is amazing in my opinion. Then with 50% volume level and active noise cancellation turned on, it can provide you with 50 hours of continuous usage, while 80 hours of continuous usage with active noise cancellation turned off. And if you are using it for calling, then it can provide you with a talk time of 70 hours. I've personally used them, and the battery timing is amazing and as good as advertised. To place an order, you can find the link in the description box below, and I would really appreciate if you can use that link to purchase them. For the upcoming videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I will catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace.